Hi everybody, Beanmeister22 here. Hey, this is my first video since being back from the COVID. Yeah. Alright, so today we are going to cook Omaha steak, mini pigs in a blanket. You could also call them Franks in a blanket or mini wiener wraps. And this will be the first, real food that I've had a chance to eat. We're going to do something a little different when we're cooking today because if you remember, mostly when I cook things, I start with the bottom element and then move on to the dual element. Since we are once again in uncharted waters, I'm just going to start with the dual element and we'll flick it for 12 minutes and see what happens. I did not thaw these, and I don't even know if it's recommended that you do thaw them. I took them right out of the freezer, as you can see. Plopped them on here, cranked it up, and let her rip. Tater chip. Enjoy the cooking. Alright, now that we're at the end of the video, through the magic of special effects, if you remember I said I went 12 minutes, well I wasn't quite sure, so I bumped it up 4 more minutes for a total of 16 minutes. And really, I don't know what these are supposed to look like. I should probably check the picture on the website, but I mean they look pretty good, and man, they smell pretty good. And as with all these cooking videos, I just can't wait to sink my teeth into these. So if these look good to you, if you check out the Omaha Steaks website, these are currently running, a 12-pack is $9.99. You say, well, that's pretty reasonable, especially for Omaha Steak, right? The normal list price is $19.99. Would I pay $19.99 for these? Well, no, because there's just not enough here. You get 12 of them, and that's not worth $20. But 12 of them, for as good as these things are, for $9.99, that's a bargain. And by bargain, I mean a bargain by Omaha Steak, quality, and how they do things. We're not buying a pack of little Smokies down at the Kroger, wrapping some biscuit dough around them and plopping them on this. I mean, you could do this, and this would probably taste good. But when you purchase from Omaha Steak, there is an implicit understanding that you're getting a higher quality meat. And of course you're paying for that higher quality. So would you feed these to the kids? Heck no. Would you feed them to yourself? Well, yeah, you ought if you're worth it, right? And I think you're worth it. Alright, so what do you think? Have you seen these? Have you had these? Can you just smell these right across your screen, coming out of your phone or on your computer screen? Oh man, these are great. Alright, so leave your comments in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching.
Beanmeister22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.